Looker Studio Formula 21 video series by Analytics Lib. So this is video number 18. Today we will learn about a formula that helps convert the negative values into the positive values. So in case in your CRM, if you have any of the data that is entered into the negative, for example revenue. So here we have taken a similar data set where we have revenue and profit. So here you can see we have negative values here. So we will create a calculated field here. So in the same data set here in the table, you will create a new field here. And there is a simple formula for this conversion, ABS. So we will name this ABS revenue. So we just simply need to enter the field name here. And let us apply. So now you can see the values which were negative here in the revenue field are displayed as positive values. So similarly, you can try in your data set for any of the values you feel which are negative and you want to convert them into positive. And also let us know in the comment section if you have any suggestions for the formulas. Thank you.